Would you like to train in a more safe manner so you don't do this in a self-defense situation? But the shooting ranges mostly won't let you draw from a holster or do any kind of training like that. Here at Defense Training, we have a virtual shooting range that allows you to do this type of training with your own firearm and a laser cartridge with real-time feedback. On our laser range, you have an actual target that has a countdown timer, and then you can draw and you can get on target, and you can do this safely. While an instructor is actually watching you to watch for finger placement and watch to see if the laser cartridge goes off before you actually get to the target. So we're watching for finger placement within the trigger, and with watching all that stuff, we can correct this out of you for your training. And you can do this in a safe, proficient manner. And the more that we do it, the more comfortable that we can get, that I know that I can draw my gun safely and proficiently against an attacker in a real life situation and not have to worry about shooting ourselves. So if you like this type of training and be able to do it in a safe manner and get proficient with it so you know you're not going to do this in a self-defense situation, go check us out at defensetraining.org. We'll have the link in the description below, and you can go sign up for one of our classes. It's a 2-hour class for a very minimum charge, probably less than what you would pay to go to the shooting range to actually shoot your gun, with professional instruction and a lot of fun and a very interactive class.